Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. Now for us to get started, I have this one right here, and as you can see now you're able to see right away like the duplicates. But what if, say for example, you have so much data here that it's impossible to do it manually. Now to do it, you can just head over here. I'm just going to go ahead, or let's say for example, let's focus on this one and just go ahead and click Format, Conditional Formatting, and then we're going to go ahead and apply to range B. So this time let's go ahead and change to custom formula, and let's go ahead and just paste this one. So this is the formula that we're going to be using, and as you can see now it was able to identify those with duplicates. Then this time can go ahead and change the filter color, apply it, and hit done. And if you're going to close this one, you can see them right away. So yeah, that's the easiest way in order for us to get the duplicates or to capture the duplicates here in Google Sheets.